In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer a domain from Squarespace over to Hostinger. I'm going to show you and transfer a domain live on video. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So first go to Squarespace and find your domain. So log in, click on your profile, then go to domains. Then you'll see all of your domains. I'm going to transfer this one, bradleyharrison.com. Now it's important to note you need to hold the domain for around 60 days before you can transfer. So click on your domain and then you need to go ahead and turn off domain lock. So by default it will be on, just check this and turn it off. Okay, so once you've done that, you can then begin the process to transfer it. Again, you might need to hold your domain for 60 days. So make sure you've obviously waited for that long. Then you can go to Hostinger, and once you've logged in, you want to go to the domains section and then domain portfolio. And from here, you can click add new domain and you can transfer an existing domain or just go down to transfers here. Either way, you want to get to this page. So you need to meet these requirements. Again, 60 days. Your domain needs to be unlocked. We've just done that. And you need to get the authorization code. Before we get the authorization code, we'll go ahead and enter in the domain. So my domain is www.bradleyharrison.com. We're going to then click transfer, get rid of the www then. And now it should recognize that domain. Here we go. So we're going to have to pay £8.99 to transfer it. And it's going to renew it for a new year. So we'll click purchase. And I'm just going to go ahead and finish out this payment. So once I've made that payment, it's going to ask me to confirm my details. My details are here, they've been blurred out. It's also going to ask me for the EPP code. Now now's a good time to find that in Squarespace. So if you go to Squarespace and you're on your domain, again, make sure it's unlocked. Then go all the way down to the bottom and request transfer code. Then go ahead and click send auth code. And that's going to send you an authorization code within 24 hours. Okay, so now I've got the authorization code via email. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply copy that code. Now we can head back to this box here where it asks for it. Then we can paste it in. Now, once we've done that, I'm going to use Hostinger's name servers for the domain because we can just change it later. Then we can click transfer domain. It's going to say that the transfer has started. And there you go, the transfer has now been initiated. And we'll see the domain out of Squarespace and into Hostinger within 5 to 7 business days. If we click continue here, we should be able to see it and you'll be able to see obviously that it's transferring. So that's how you do it. I hope that quick video did help you out.